How to change Google Forms language. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Google Forms language. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Google Forms and tap on the first link you see there. You will be led to the official web page of Google Form. Here on the top, you will see the option for sign in. Tap on that and go ahead and sign yourself in at the first place. Once signed in, to change Google Forms language, open an existing form and right-click on the form. You will see the option for Translate to English. Tap on that. In the pop-up that appears, tap on the three dots you see there. You will then see the option for Choose Another Language. Tap on that and now tap on the language drop-down and further select the language you want to change your Google Form into. I will select Chinese. Now tap on the Translate button and as you can see, my form is translated to Chinese. So this is how you can change Google Forms language. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.